Trading became simple the moment I stopped looking at the markets like a game of indicators and I started to understand who's really in the control. That single mindset shift, realizing who the true market maker is, changed everything for me, from stress and uncertainty to clarity, confidence, and consistency. So today I'm going to break down for you 4 things that completely changed my entire trading career. And I hope it shortens your learning curve by years. So let's dive in. Okay, so first thing is learn to chart with the purpose. Yeah, it's basic, but most people still don't do it. They are charting with a million indicators. They are copying some random Twitter gurus and actually don't understand the price and the structure, how the price moves. So when I started doing these many things back in the past, I realized something really wild. That the markets are not moving randomly. It's been moving by someone, some entity who's doing some repetitive patterns. And that someone, it's not retail trader. That's when I started to studying who the real market makers are. And more importantly, how they move the price to manipulate others, to build their position in the liquidity cycles. That's when I built my CLS strategy, not based on the feelings, not based on the moving averages, RSI, or any nonsense indicators which are telling you what actually already happened, but based on how the big players manipulate the market around the key zones. Second, once I studied the CLS behavior, everything started to clicking. I began to notice the patterns, stop hunts, fake breakouts, manipulations to the key levels. And it wasn't just a noise. This was intentional move by design, by someone who needed to move the price in that directions to create a liquidity or to manipulate the traders into the wrong side of the trade. So I decided to build my strategy around it. A mechanical system with a 2 core entry models. Model number 1, which is simply waiting for the manipulations of the CLS candle and engulfing, creating change in the order flow and targeting 50% of that CLS candle. And model number 2, which basically playing the sequence of the markets and the pullback to the 61.8 FIB, where I'm looking for the re-entry. And if it is a bias-based trade, we can target the opposing range of that CLS range. That simple it is. You only need to understand what is CLS range, the key level manipulation. It's simple, repeatable, and no guessing. Third, most important moment in my trading career was when I really started consistently journaling all my trades, when I was able to refine my setups and find the mistakes which I am repeating, right? So I created a great trading notion journal which is fit into my strategy, where I'm putting all the notes, trades, and every observations from the charts. This really helped me to build a consistency not only in a trading, but also in the learning curve and improving from week by week. And by the way, this great trading journal you can get also if you join our Trading Hunters Academy. And you will get this journal with all my past trades and also with more than 100 notes from the chart. So you can actually learn from my own mistakes. And it will help you realize that you don't need 10 strategies. You need one mechanical model that fits your vision, your psychology, your time frames, and then you run it and master it. Like a Bruce Lee is saying, one kick 10,000 times. That's how you achieve a mastery. Okay, if you're still here and you like the trading, drop a like and subscribe for more video like this one. And right now I'm going to tell you what's the 4th most important moment. And if you are guessing that it's risk management, yes, you are right. Real risk management, not the cliche stuff, but actually asking, if this money disappears disappears today. Am I okay with that? If you are hesitating or if you are thinking about the rent, bills, you are trading emotionally. And emotional trading is a losing game. I only risk what I can sleep through. Because if you don't detach from the outcome, you will not be executing without the fear. And that's where the consistency is born. From calm, not a chaos. Okay, and one more last one. Drown out the noise. Stop comparing your $50 gains with someone's 10,000 screenshots. They are years ahead and you are in the chapter 1. And there is a way how to get there. You need to go step by step and it will grow. You will see that if you follow these 4 steps, the trading can change really rapidly. It can change from the break-even trader, you will see $100 gains in a day. Then from $100 gains in a day, it can change to $500. From the $500, you will see that it can be 5,000 a week. Then it could be 10,000 a week. And there is no limit. You can just scale your profits. So yeah, my trading really changed and exploded when I did 4 things. And if what I'm going to tell you right now resonates with you, visit our Discord community. I learned to chart by using the CLS lenses. I understood who actually moved the markets. I built my strategy based only on 2 entry models, and I stopped trying to be perfect and started being disciplined. And that's when I stopped hoping and started executing. And you can do same. See you next time.